Hey you guys, it's Christy, and I wanted to kind of go over mapping a little bit so that you can start mapping your teams. We're working on the month of October. Minimum requirements are, and I always write them in the top corner, minimum requirements are $500 in PRS with 3 new people. Okay, you want 3 new team members. You want to write their name here. So I'm going to be mapping Amanda. Okay. And Amanda is currently yellow. So I'm going to write yellow here because that's her current status. Okay. She's wanting to go for pink. So her team goal is pink. And to be pink, your company wholesale sales must be 2,000. Okay, so her team goal would actually be, I would have put, I always do a buffer because we have, in order to get your 2,000 in company wholesale sales, you must have 2,500 in PRS totals. Okay, so I do PRS totals here, and some people may do it differently, but it's easier to look at this where she can add all of her PRSs together to buffer that 75%, because they take the 25% out of that to make your company wholesale sales. Okay, so she needs 2,500 is their team goal. Okay, now how do you map their team? Well, you want to take her personal recruits, and we have Crystal. Okay, oops. We have Jennifer M. We have Diana C. We have Catherine Z. We have Alyssa B. Okay, those are her existing personal recruits. Now, none of these recruits have have a team member yet. Okay, these are all new recruits. One of them is yellow, and that is Jennifer Morse. So I would take and put a big yellow star right here beside her name so that I know that she's yellow. Okay, so the potential of her going pink is very huge for the month. Okay, so I'm gonna write pink above her, and she's gonna be someone that I would map separate. As Amanda, I would map her second so that she can have a map to start as well. Okay, so now what you're going to do, each one of these people want 500 PRS each and 3 new people. Okay, so for the 3 new people that you want to add, because you're going to be doing that too, you want 3 new people for November for yourself as personal. That's what Amanda wants. And then each one of these, and I'm just going to do it like this because it's just easier. Each one of these need 3 as well. Okay. I know this looks crazy. Normally I take my time, but okay. Now, she currently is yellow, and she has 5 on her team. Okay? But when each of these people add one person, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And with Amanda would be 24. So there's 24 potential team members. Okay? 24. All right. So now we have to do mascara math. Okay? Because we need 2,500. We are going to take and go to our calculator. And we are going to do 2,500. Okay? And we're going to divide that by 29. Because that's how much a mascara is. So each person okay. And then you divide it by 24 because there's 24 people. Okay. So each person needs to sell 3.5 mascaras. So we're going to round that up to 4 mascaras. So each person sells 4 mascara. And guess what? You would have 2,500 in PRS amongst all of those people, which puts her as pink status. As long as all of these people are qualified. So let's look at this. 4 times 29 equals 116. That's not qualified. Okay. So you come back up here and do a buffer. Okay. So 5 mascaras each is going to make everyone qualified and achieve pink status. Does that make sense? Now, another way you can do this is look at it from a blue level. That's going to get her pink. But we all know now that each one of these people, the likelihood of them being qualified is very low. Okay? But you've got Jennifer, who is yellow, that can work on pink as well. So she can add 3 and work on pink too. You know what I'm saying? So, but this kind of gives you an idea of how you map it out. Another thing I like to do is to go up a level. So if they want blue with the same amount of people, okay, you are going to need 5,000 to get blue. Okay, that's 4,000 company wholesale sales, 5,000 PRS totals. Okay, so if you take the 5,000 and divide that by 29 and then divide that by 24 people, you're going to need to sell 8 mascaras a piece in order to do that. So 24 people sells 5 mascaras, you're pink. 24 people sells 8 mascaras, you're blue. I think that's right. Let me double check my math here. So we have 5,000 divided by 24 divided by 29. Yep. 8 mascaras. And that's giving you a buffer. Because 8 times 24, 8 times 24 times 29 is actually 5568. So it's going to give you plenty. Okay? So you could actually probably drop this down to 7, but I would keep it at 8 so that you have that buffer. But that kind of gives you an idea of how you map each one. Now, say for instance, you have person number 1 that has, let's say she has Jen, Sue, and Billy currently on her team. Okay? You want to make sure that you transfer up Jen, Sue, and Billy because they're going to be working on the same thing. They're going to be working on 500 PRS and 3 new people each. Okay? Because they're part of the team. They're part of the company. Okay? So what you would do is you would highlight 3 people here because she needs 3 new people. Okay? 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here of the red squares, just like we did on this paper right up here. Okay? Each person you come to, say Jen has a person. You're going to put Jen, actually, let's go to Billy. Billy has a person, and say Billy has Mary. Okay? You're going to make sure that when you get to Billy and she has people underneath her, you're going to put Mary up here as well. Okay? Anybody that you come to in this line that has a person, you go ahead and put their name next and their person's name under them. And you're doing that all the way down. So I hope that kind of helps you guys. You can also, like for this little mascara formula, you could also do collections. If each person here sold 1 collection apiece, they would be not only be qualified, but it would get you the $2,500 quicker. Does that make sense? So I hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. You can post underneath this post, and I'll be happy to help you guys. If you need help mapping, just private message me, and I can help you map yourself, or we can get your elite to help map you. Hope that helps.